Hi, this is Tony from digitalradiomarketing.com. In this video, I want to share with you some of the problems that I recently encountered when I was trying to sort and collect data in Excel. Now, you're probably wondering why we need to know this. You know, building a niche website, it really has nothing to do with Excel. But when it comes to SEO, actually, a lot of time you need to sort through hundreds of URL and data that are coupled to those URL, and that's exactly when you might encounter this kind of problem. So let me show you the problem that I encountered. First of all, I have a URL, obviously, and then I need to collect some numbers. This doesn't have to be numbers. It could be, color. It could be anything that's associated with that URL. And basically, I had another set of data here, and I want to pull this new set of data and into this missing data here. So I already have some old data that are coupled with this abc.com/1 particular URL address, but I have some blanks here, as you can see, and I want to pull data from here. And obviously, we can use VLOOKUP, but the problem with that is I would have to manually type in each one of them and trying to gather that information. Imagine when you have hundreds of URL, that's not really practical. And so here's the solution that I came up with. The way to do it is to first use the if function. So what we want to do is to basically assign the ones that have blanks. So by using the if function, as you can see here, if b2 equals to comma, quote, actually, and then comma d2 and not blank. So what I'm saying here with this equation is essentially saying if b2 is blank, well, no, sorry. If when looking at b2, whatever is in b2, if it's blank, take the value from D2, so from column D. And if it's not blank, then just write not blank. And this is exactly what this formula did for me. So as you can see, if there's number 100 here, it tells me it's not blank. And if there's a blank here, then you will pull data from this column here. And in this column, basically I did VLOOKUP function. So I have this URL. I'll basically look at this URL here and then look at this new data set and say, okay, pull the data according to each URL. And in this instance, these URL are sorted in order, but imagine when they are not in order, obviously you will want to use VLOOKUP to easily associate those numbers with the URL. So that's exactly what I did here. And I'm not interested in the ones that already have numbers. So obviously the ones without numbers, the blank ones, that's what I'm interested. So by using this if function, you can see it pulls the data, and let me drag this down here too, for the ones that are blank from this new data set. Now the problem we have, here's the next problem that I had. Basically I need to transfer this data into the blanks. And interesting enough, in Excel, if you so get rid of non-blanks. Okay, if you do simple copy and paste, it's not going to work. And because it copy and paste everything, not the ones that are visible, but every single one of column to where you want to paste it to. And that's not what we want. So what we need to do is actually we need to select everything, okay? And then what you want to do is click on Alt and semicolon, okay? And that will select the ones. Let me get rid of this so you can actually see on the screen. So, okay, so now it's selected the ones that are visible. Then you would copy that and let's go to a new sheet, paste it. So you can see now it only selected the ones that are visible. So that's that solves one of the problems that we have. Basically, we need to only select the ones that are visible. So basically you need to Alt plus semicolon. So that's what you need to hit on your keyboard, okay? Then once you have that, you will be able to select the ones that are visible. So that's exactly what we need to do here, okay? Because we only want to select these guys. If you do this, it's gonna select everything that's not visible as well. So what we want to do is select everything and then Alt. Okay, so now it's selected the ones that are visible. Then I'm gonna do equals to, okay, this one here. And then you have to enter, you have to click on Control, Enter, okay? Oops. Okay, actually we need to get the numbers that are not a formula. I forgot about that part, so let me do that right now. So once you have this, you can simply well, actually we can do it here also. So you can get rid of this, just do copy, paste special to get rid of the if formula. But for this exercise, I'm going to do this. I'm going to copy and paste special. So basically that's normal number there. Okay, so that's another way to do it. And we want to select not blank. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna select this, Alt, semicolon, step 1 right there. And then actually let me Control plus Enter. That's step number 2. Okay, so let me try this again. Select the ones that you want to alter. Click on Alt and semicolon. Now it selects the ones that are visible there. And what I want to do is equals to this number here. And I want to do that for every single ones that I just selected. So in order to do that, that's where this Control Enter comes. So once you do that, type in that equals to whatever cell you want the number to appear, and then Control Enter. Okay, so now you can see 578. Okay, exactly what we wanted. And actually the in function was still there, so now it becomes not blank because we, obviously now it was blank before, now it's not blank, so it becomes not blank there. So that's exactly how you can transfer data for the ones that were empty, without doing it manually one by one. So it's a little bit lengthy process, and it's not really sophisticated. Basically, we are doing one step at a time. I'm sure there are ways that you can combine if function with a VLOOKUP in one equation and do a very fancy way to solve this problem. But this is basically the way I came up with. It's a step-by-step process, but it works. And I hope this is useful for you. And if you have any comments, please, let me know. Leave in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.